High-rise construction is seriously tricky for contractors because managing wind loads and moving materials up dozens of floors is no joke. So when you're dealing with wind load management, you've got to make sure the building can handle those crazy gusts at high altitudes, right? Contractors usually use flexible designs and special dampers to keep the structure stable, which helps prevent swaying that could freak people out. Then, material transport logistics is a whole beast on its own. You need organized schedules to get materials up without messing with each other or slowing down the project. Using cranes and hoists strategically is key, since you can't just haul stuff up like in regular buildings. Also, communication between teams is huge. If everyone's not on the same page, delays and mistakes happen fast. Keeping safety rules tight is essential too, because lifting heavy stuff high above ground is dangerous as heck. Plus, contractors often rely on modular construction techniques that let them pre-assemble parts on the ground and then lift them up, saving time and hassle. Oh, and tracking inventory closely so nothing gets lost or delayed is a must-have practice. One of the biggest issues contractors run into with high-rise projects is underestimating wind load effects, which can cause structural problems or delays if not planned well. The fix? Work with structural engineers early to model wind forces accurately and use proven design methods. Another common mistake is poor coordination in material transport logistics, like sending too many deliveries at once or scheduling crane time badly, which messes up workflows. To avoid this, create detailed delivery and lift schedules that everyone sticks to strictly. Lastly, safety lapses during material handling up high are unfortunately common and can cause accidents or fines. Make sure all workers get regular training and that safety gear and protocols are enforced consistently. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer for homeowners looking for trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff with big projects like this. For contractors, it's a solid platform to get more work by connecting with serious clients who need help on challenging construction jobs.